G'day everyone, and thanks for joining me on another Adventure with Bernie.
I've been in the shop a few times, yeah. Doesn't mean I don't get nervous. Yeah, I get nervous in the car.
And you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out what I'm doing today.
And normally
this is Spicerspeaklodge, and it's located in Maryvale in the Scenic Rim region of Queensland, Australia. This is where I work. No, not as a chopper pilot, but as a tour guide. So I get to spend all my days in these magnificent surroundings. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, it's nice to be important, but it's important to be nice.